Hi friends, this is ur14cs151 and today I'm going to explain my K-Students lab exercise 2, that is to create a class diagram for the online bank management system. So basically some of the terms that we should be knowing before starting a class diagram is what is a class. A class is a description of a set of objects that share a common set of attributes and operations, relationships, etc. Then object object is an instance of a class, and then association, it represents the linkage between two classes. Then multiplicity defines how many objects a class may relate uh, to the other classes in association. So it can be like one to many, one to one, zero to many, etc. Then aggregation. Aggregation is a strong form of association in which an aggregate object is made of the constituent parts. So what you can see here, I have used here aggregation for some of them because the following classes belongs to that main class and shares the attributes. And then generalization is a relationship between a base class and two or more varieties of other classes. So getting started, first of all, in the online bank management system, we'll have a login. So I've created a class here, login, with the attributes user ID and password, and the operation here is login. Then for each users, I will have a user ID, password, account number, and then if it's a new user means I will create a user, and then he can go and log in. And then once he has been logged in, he will go to the next page, that is a transaction page, where we'll be having transaction ID, from account number, to account number, debit and credit, transaction type, balance, date, status, branch code, etc. These are all my attributes. And then my operations will be withdraw, deposit, money transaction, etc. So the main thing that the transaction will view is the attributes of this main class, that is the account info. So my account info will consist of the name, father's name, date of birth, age, marital status, address, city, state, country, etc. All the information, and then the debit card number, branch code, account number, balance, etc. And then the operations that I consist of is a create account. So either to withdraw, deposit or money transaction, I will require the information from this class. So I have given here an aggregate function. And the next is the account type, for which I need an account, the type code and the type name, and then an operation, that is select. So again for that I'll be requiring the attributes of this class. So I have given account info class, so I have given an aggregate function here. Similarly for the branch, wherein I'll specify the branch name and the branch code. Then the next is the check request. When the user will have a check request, what all are the information required? It is account number, the account holder name, old check ID, date of request, status and new checkbook ID, etc. And then the operation will be to send a request. And then for that I will be having two options, that is, this is a generalization here in which the base class has two subclasses, that is, one is the issue check and the other is a stop check. So for the issue check, I will issue the check number, date and account number, and then the operation will be issue check. And for the stop check, what I'll have, the attributes will be account number, check number and check date, and then the operation will be stop the check. And then this will again go to the account info and retrieve all the values. So I can have one or many check requests. So for that I have given the multiplicity here as 1 to many. The users can be 1, but the login page users can be from 1 to many. So I have given here the multiplicity as 1 to many. And then similarly for transactions, it can be more than 1. So I have given the multiplicity accordingly. So this is the end of my experiment 2.